ChuChu Kids RTV.
Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Camel. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 26 letters. Rainbow consists of how many colors? 7 colors. How many days are there in a year? 365 days. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes. How many seconds are there in a minute? 60 seconds. How many seconds make 1 hour? 3600 seconds. Baby frog is known as tadpole. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? 21 consonants. How many vowels are there in the English alphabet and name them? A, E, I, O, U. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The lion. Name the national bird of India. The peacock. Name the national animal of India. Tiger. What is the national anthem of India? Jana Hana Mana. Name the national flower of India. Lotus flower. Name the national fruit of India. Mango. What is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Who designed the national flag of India? Pingali Venkaya.